So I want to show you how to download and install FIFA 19 on your Android mobile phone. So first you are going to do is for you to get the game file and the emulator. So I'm going to use Winlator 11 Final APK. So that's the emulator I'm going to use. You can download that from my Telegram channel, or you can go to Chrome, search for github.com, their website. Just download the latest version of Winlator there. So once you are done with that, just install your Winlator. And before then, you must have downloaded the game file, the main game file, that is FIFA 19. You can see it in extracted form. So once you download the game file and extract it, you will get something like this. You get something exactly like this. So once you're done with that, move straight to your emulator. That is Winlator. I'm going to use Winlator emulator. You can use Game Hub, you can use Winlator, but I prefer Winlator. So let me show you people the version that I'm using. You can see the Winlator version I'm using, the latest version. So go to settings. If you go to settings, if you are using a controller, just click on this place that they say player. You can see the sign here, or let me say the symbol here, controller symbol here. You can just click on it, external controller. Then you can see the name of the controller I'm using, wireless controller touchpad. Then click on it, click OK. So once you are done with that, go to your box 64 version. You can see the version that I'm using, 0.4.0. so there are many versions there. You can just download anyone that is good for your phone. So let me try 0.4.0. so the box 64 presets, I'm using performance. So you can see all of them here. I'm using performance. So that's it. So once you are done with that, click on this place. Then let us create our container. Just click on this plus sign here. You can name the container. Let me just say FIFA 19. FIFA 19. So click on done. Once you click on done, you get something like this. So okay, let me leave this one first because you are going to do something in the window desktop. So let me go to the turnip. Don't touch these two things here, this OpenGL and DirectX 12. Don't touch these two. Just go to your graphics driver, choose turnip. You're going to choose turnip. So for those of you using Snapdragon processor, I prefer turnip for Vulkan. So let me just configure our turnip here. You can see the version that I'm using. Maximum device memory, I'll just use 4GB. Then click on OK. Enable direct rendering, check that one. On check sync every frame. So then click OK. So go to DSVK version. So I'm going to use the latest one, 2.6.1. so you can see everything. Frame rates, so I'll just leave it at 30 fps because of the phone I'm using a very low end device. But if you are using a very high end device, so you can leave it at no limit or 60 anyone. So maximum device memory, the same 4GB. Then constant device, leave that one like that. Then click on OK. So you go to audio driver, choose pulse audio, not audio. Then HUD mode, you can just leave that one at disabled to avoid reducing your FPS, because that if you enable it now, -2 or 3 FPS. So one component, we are not going to do anything here. Environment variables, I think we are not going to do anything here. So let us go to advanced. Leave it at performance. Change this essential to aggressive, stop service on startup. Then Windows version, change it to 10. So check all this box here. Don't uncheck anyone, just check all of them. So once you are done, you can now create your container. So now open your container, open your FIFA 19 container. So let me just click it on toggle full screen for wider view. So once you open your container desktop, go to D, then go to FIFA 19. go to FIFA 19. So you can save all the files here. So this FIFA 19 is there. Just click on it, then click on create shortcuts. So once you click on create shortcuts, we are going to download these two things here. Installers. You are going to download this one gecko and one mono components. So we just download the two components. Once you are done with that, so I'm going to use the offline own. I'm not going to use that one. So let me just, but you must download that two components in order to open the FIFA setup config. So if you want to get this offline own, you can just join our Telegram channel. Link is on my bio. So just join, we get something the file. So once you get this file, no need of downloading this Winlator own. This one, no need for this one. So now go back to FIFA 19. So go to FIFA setup. Once you go to FIFA setup, you are going to scroll down, go down. So FIFA setup exe. Click on open. Once you open it, you wait small. So you get something like this. Then click on game settings. So leave it at full screen. Rendering quality depending on the phone you are using. I'll just leave it as low. This one, I'll off this one. Frame rate lock to 30 fps. This one. So everything is okay. Just click on OK. Then click on exit. So once you click on exit, go to this FIFA setup default in, open it. So once you open it, make sure that if you are using a low-end device, make sure that is the same with my own. You can see everything here. Once you are done changing everything here, click on this place. Once you click on this place, they will ask you if you want to save. There is a change in this particular file. If you want to save it, just click on yes. So once you are done with that, then go to document. If you don't go to document, you will see FIFA 19. Open FIFA 19. You see setup in, open it. So the same thing. Okay, display, they are not changing anything here. So we are going to change this one now. So let us start, or let us leave all this one. We are going to start from this particular one. Just open your keyboard. Then you delete that one. You are going to put 0. Then rendering quality, you are going to put 0. 720, you are going to put 540. Then this one you are going to put 960. So voice chat, you are going to put 0. Wait for async, you are going to put 0. So all that you are going to leave all stats like that. Then you exit. So you can see, would you like to save the change? Just click on yes. So once you are done with that, then go back. I'm going to go back. So go to shortcuts. Just recheck everything here, FIFA 19. So before that, let us go and change our containers, container resolution. So this one, just click on custom. If you click on custom display, you put 960, and this place you are going to put 540. Then done. You will get something like this, 960 by 540. Then click on OK. Then go to shortcuts. Then you're just going to recheck everything. Make sure you not made any mistake. So you can see everything here. can see everything here. Advanced performance. Just click OK. So let me just connect my controller so that we check if the game will work.
EA Sports. It's in the game.